Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel useNfix. We are looking at the Red Panic Button app, a simple but powerful tool that can help you keep safe in emergency. Let's get started. The Red Panic Button app is a personal safety application available on both iOS and Android. In case of an emergency, you just tap the red peak button and the app instantly sends an alert with the GPS location, email or SMS message to your chosen contact. This makes it an essential app for students, travelers, seniors or really anyone who wants a quick way to call for help. Now, to use it, first you need to go to the App Store and download your app. If you haven't, search for Red Panic Button app, tap on that, then tap on install and open up your app. Allow the required permissions like location access and contacts. Go to the settings inside the app and add your emergency contacts. These can be phone numbers or emails. You can also customize the panic message that will be sent. For example, this is an emergency, please help, my location is below. On the home screen, you'll see a red big button right here. Just tap it in an emergency like this. The app immediately then sends your chosen contacts a message or email with a live GPS location. Some versions allow Twitter integration so you can tweet your panic message if needed. You can also enable widgets on your phone for one-tap access without opening up the app. It is a good idea to test it once with the trusted contacts so they know how it looks when it receives your alert. It is fast and reliable, known to dial numbers. Just one tap sends your location. You can decide who gets alerted and what message they see. As long as your phone has internet or SMS access, it can send alerts. Make sure your phone's GPS is always enabled for accurate location share. And that is how you can use the Red Panic Button app. It is a simple life-saving tool that makes your loved ones know where you are in emergency. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more app guides. Stay safe and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.